there! Is your Xiaomi phone's calculator app acting up? Don't sweat it, I've got your back with some easy fixes. Let's jump right in and get that calculator working smoothly again. Solution 1. Turn off developer options. First things first, head over to your Settings app. Next, scroll down until you spot additional settings. Now, give a little scroll and tap on developer options. Toggle it off, it's that simple. After that, give your phone a reboot. Now let's see if that did the trick for you. Solution 2. Clear calculator app data and cache. Touch and hold the calculator icon on your home screen. Tap on App Info where the menu pops up. Now hit Clear Data and select Clear Cache. Press OK and then tap Clear All Data. Close this page. Now let's check if the issue is sorted out. Solution 3. Factory reset your device. Back to Settings we go. Then tap on About Phone. Scroll down a tad and find Factory Reset. Hit Erase All Data. If you have got a password or PIN, pop it in here. Tap Next. Then hit the Factory Reset button and follow the prompts. Once that's done, your issue should be history. And there you have it, folks! Calculator problems on your Xiaomi device? Not anymore. If this video helped you out, show some love by smashing that like button. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll lend a hand. Thanks for tuning in.